Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox using a keyboard and mouse. First, ensure your keyboard and mouse are properly connected to your computer. Then, launch the Roblox application or open it in your web browser. Before starting, confirm that the specific Roblox game you wish to play supports keyboard and mouse input for the best experience. Once in a game, moving your character is straightforward. The W, A, S, D keys control your character's direction. W for forward, S for backward, A for left, and D for right. To jump, simply press the spacebar. For faster movement, remember that holding down the Shift key will often make your character sprint. Controlling your camera and interacting with the world is intuitive. Move your mouse to freely look around and adjust your camera angle. To interact with items, click the left mouse button. This action can pick up objects, activate buttons, or attack. You can also use your mouse's scroll wheel to zoom the camera in and out. For a personalized experience, you can often customize your controls. Look for the settings menu within the game to view or change keybinds to your preference. Practicing in different Roblox games will help you adapt quickly. Also, don't hesitate to experiment with your mouse sensitivity to find what feels most comfortable for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.